I've got a ton of goodies to share with you guys, so stick around. Grab a drink, grab your coffee, and let's get down to it. So I've got these two Not Too Shabby stamps back in stock. These are super cute. These were really popular. This is the Happy Halloween stamp set, and we've got the Warm and Cozy stamp set. Love that penguin. Love the drinks in this set and the cute gingerbread, and this witch is really cute. The candy corn witch too. I will be doing some projects with these two for sure before the season ends. We've got some Catherine Pooler in the house. I've got the bundle here, the Slimline bundle. So this is brand new. There's two stencils, and this is a leopard stencil, which is really cool. And then we've got this one. This one's called Facet. So really neat for ink blending. We've got three great new slimline dies. So here we have a sunset or a sunrise die, and this would make a perfect shaker card. This would go great with all your farm animal stamps. We've got a rainbow one, another great shaker die. Add some foam in here and then create a shaker. So you see the little shaker bits underneath the rainbow. That would be really cool. And then this one as well, which is really nice. It's got the scallop and it's got these little hash marks going all the way around. Then we've got the inside piece also cuts out squares in the inside, and then you also get these pieces to cut additional pieces out on the inside. So very nice. So that's available as a bundle. You do get a discount when you purchase this bundle. We've got some new Hero Arts stamps. So this one here is called Snowy Town. So these are solid stamps, so if you don't like coloring, this is perfect. It's got some sentiments for you in here with the nice script. This one comes with a die. We've got the Cozy Town combo, so you get the die and the stamps. So it features a lot of nice houses. Stay cozy. May your days be merry. Santa is coming to town. We also have this one with the combo. So this one with the die. We've got this one on its own without the die. And then we've got this beautiful stamp set. This is the Howling Wolf. So this is a layering stamp set. So we got 3 layers. And then the moon, which looks really cool. We have some new Scrapping for Less papers. So this one's called Cool Treats. And I just love the look of the popsicles. They look so cool. Let me give you a sneak peek, just really quick. So they are double-sided. Look at those watermelon popsicles. Aren't they cool? And then polka dots on the back. More popsicles. So if you're doing some projects with some maybe photos from the summer, these would be perfect. Ooh, I love that. With that looks really neat. Now there's some ephemera that goes really great with the new paper pads. I gotta show you these. These are so cute. It's little hearts with those strawberries. And then there's some jam. So this goes great with the next paper that I'm going to show you. But you can also add these ice creams to the other paper pad. Ice creams, mint leaves in here. Little basket. Very, very cute. This is the one that goes great with that ephemera. Look at how beautiful that is. Love this paper pad. And then this one is super cute, these rustic watermelons. Oh, I love that. Ooh, I love that. I need to peek into this one. I love that. The wood panels with the watermelons. Ooh, it's just so cute. Really, really love this paper pad. Oh, I love that. And I love watermelon colors, don't you? That is just really cute. So it's like a washi tape. And look at these cute gnomes. That's cute. Very, very cute. So here's the red Christmas. It's very, very cute. I love those colors. If you're looking for a new color for Distress inks, we've got the Crackling Campfire in the Oxide and the Distress. So you can add those to your collection. New CC designs. Look how cute she is. That one's called Pumpkin Swissy. And on all these products, I have limited quantities. So if you see something you really like, jump on it. This one's Monster Swissy. These are just so cute. And then we've got Dodge Swissy, Day of the Dead Swissy. Just so cute to color in. And then there is a Halloween paper pad as well. So this is 24 sheets, 12 designs, single-sided. There's 2 larger stamp sets. I only have 1 left of the Tiny Halloween. Adorable mummy. And then this one is really cute, Witchy Way. Witchy Way. Look at that one with the glasses. Adorable. We have the Catherine Pooler inks. Don't go away, I have to show you these. These are super cute. So I have the mini inks, and this is the Midnight, the black one that's good for Copic coloring. And then we've got the sets. This is the Party Collection foundations. We've got the Carnival. We've got the Paradise Found. We've got Life of the Party. And Spring Fling. Beautiful colors. Absolutely beautiful inks. I restocked the Nouveau Glitter Accents. This is really pretty. Perfect for snow. If you want to add the look of snow to your cards. Now I saw these and I thought they were gorgeous. This is Creative Expressions. They are pre-cut and mounted for you. So they are rubber. I thought they were perfect size for a slimline card. And what I love about it, because I'm totally into the Distress ink backgrounds, these stamps are perfect just to stamp right on top of your backgrounds in a black. So to have it as a silhouette, or to even like emboss it on top of your background. You can emboss it and then do a background on top of this, which would be super pretty. Make a little sunset sky or a night scene. Yeah, that's super pretty. So these little elves have Santa hats on, and then you can see all the detail down there. There's little like flowers with hearts, there's presents, there's a bunny on top of mushrooms. There's mushrooms with little danglies hanging down. So pretty. Here's another one. This says Merry Christmas with these baubles and all this like confettis and strings. This looks really pretty. Lots of detail. So you don't have to color anything, just make a background and then stamp this on top. Here's another pretty, I think this one's super pretty. It's called A Wish at Christmas, and it would be super pretty embossed with a glitter embossing powder, and then do your ink background on top of it. Here's another one with houses and then little Santa sleigh at the top, dropping all the little presents and sparkly magic. Look how cute that is. You can see little elves on top of the rooftops. Here's one down there. Super cute. This is called Above the Rooftops. Let me get my ruler out. Let's see how long these measure. Approximately. They're under 8 inches long. And they're under 3.5 inches tall. More like 3.25 inches. That one's really pretty. So you got a couple of deer, there's little rabbits, more deer, there's a little squirrel, there's birds in the tree, there's an owl there. You really have to look at all the details. They're just hiding everywhere. And then this one's called Follow the Star. Very, very pretty. Great holiday card. So I love those. You'll find those under stamps and then other, or if you just click on stamps and keep scrolling, those are all the new products that I've just listed. So that's everything that I have to share with you guys. I do have several giveaways going on. Check my last 3 videos. There's giveaways in each of those videos. Don't forget to head on over to the blog. I'll have that link in the description box for you. We have a giveaway with 4 prizes. It's the Cat Scrappiness and Not Too Shabby collaboration, Instagram and blog hop. So we'd love for you to hop along with us and enter into the giveaway for a chance to win one of the prizes. Lots of fall inspiration. We're using Cat Scrappiness slimline dies with the Not Too Shabby Happy Fall stamp set. And the cards are super awesome. The design team did so amazing with those cards. So please check that out. I'll have all the links in the description box for you, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. So I'll do a video announcing the winners for those 2 giveaways. Thanks guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye guys!